Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to, uh, uh, give unfollow on TikTok. So to a person. So the first step is go to the application of TikTok, and here you need to go to your profile in the down right corner here. And now you need to go to the superior right corner in the option of these three lines. This option is settings of TikTok, and you got three options: creator tools, my QR and code, and settings privacy. But here the part what is important is speak here in following. So in following, the only thing you need to do is speak in the person you want to pick on follow, like I don't know, that person, for example. You pick in following, and like you see, now you pick unfollow to this person, so you can pick again and you can follow that person again. But the only thing you need to do is pick in the button of following, and that's it. You give unfollow to this person. So the process is very simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.